Hello everyone. Welcome back to Digital Learning by Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, Government of Karnataka. In the previous session, we learnt about the meaning of industry and about few types of industry. And now, this session, let us learn about few more types of industries. Learning objective of this session is to know the types of industry, and the session outcome of this session is to make the students to know about the types of industry, having learnt the meaning of industry and about few types of industry in the previous session. Now let us learn about few more types of industries, out of which first we are taking up extractive industry. Extractive industry can be defined as a process that involves different activities that lead to the extraction of raw materials from the earth, such as oil, metals, minerals, etc., processing and utilization by consumers. Here, under extractive industry, the activities are performed to draw, raise, or extract various forms of wealth from water, soil, air, etc. is known as extractive industry. And under extractive industry, here extractive industries are the business that take raw materials including oil, coal, gold, iron, copper, and other minerals, including drilling, pumping, and mining. For example, the examples of extractive industry is oil exploration, that is oil industry, mining industry, extraction of precious metals, etc. And these industries provide raw materials for further processing. So this is about extractive industry. And now let us take up the next type of industry, that is manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industries are those industries which are engaged in transforming raw materials into finished products with the help of machines and the manpower. Manufacturing industries are those industries which are engaged in conversion of raw materials or semi-finished goods or products into finished products. These industries are engaged in providing farm utility. For example, sugar, cement, paper industry, chemical industry, FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, FMCG, etc. This is about manufacturing industry. And the next type of industry is construction industry. Construction industries refer to those activities which are concerned with the construction of roads, buildings, dams, etc. In case of construction industries, the goods produced from manufacturing, extracting industries, etc. are used. Under construction industry, it includes those companies that are engaged in the construction of building or engineering projects such as roads, bridge, etc. Construction work also takes place when renovating existing buildings. So this is about construction industries, where construction industries take up the work of construction of buildings, bridge, roads, dams, etc. And the last type of industry is service industry. Service industry does work for customers and plays an vital role in the development of the nation. Service industry is a type of business such as banking or tourism, etc., which provides service to the people. Under service industry, the examples of service industry is hotel industry, tourism industry, housekeeping, nursing, etc. So this is about service industry, where the service industry does work for customers so that it plays an important role in the development of a nation. So in this session, we learned about the remaining types of industries. So we have covered the meaning of industry as well as the types of industry so far. And these are the references which I already mentioned. These are some textbook which are referred here for this session. Thank you.